Come test drive the 2017 Challenger. Rated most appealing midsize sports car by J.D. Power and Associates, the Dodge Challenger delivers on style and performance. It's powerful, practical, and efficient. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles, heated front seats, HD radio, Sirius satellite radio, ventilated front seats, trip computer, power tilting steering wheel, universal garage door opener, compass. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.